Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a corset top using my old high-waisted denim shorts. So first I'm gonna cut the upper portion of my shorts like this. Now place it upside down. For this top we need two pieces of clothes. I'm using my old palazzo. You can use your t-shirts as well. I'm just placing it roughly to show you. Now place your denim part like this. Now you need to draw a curve for the front side of your top. Then cut it off. And then mark the curve on the two pieces of cloth and then cut it off. Fold both the pieces together and cut it off in this shape. Now hem both the sides. Now you need to attach both the pieces to the denim part like this. So for the back, I will give it a crisscross look. Place it inside according to your measurement and then stitch. Yay, my top is ready and I'm gonna wear and show you now.